Hello everyone, I'm Nikita Kaur Chopra, a proud CGCN. I believe that I am the proudest person today to get invited through my own teachers who actually believed in me. The one thing they wished and they actually knew about me that I'll be a sooner entrepreneur. Today I am. I'm running my own startup. It's OETMasters. It's a noble profession of teaching, but with the innovation of online classes. I'm an expert today. I'm an expert for IELTS. I'm an expert for OET especially. This is all regarding sending students, especially doctors or health professionals abroad with a registered logo. That means someone who is registered doctor here will need to pass this exam and he can simply called as registered nurse, say for Australia. I will be able to teach someone what my teachers did. And I am here, I got a chance to thank my teachers and I love this. I'm loving this feeling and all thanks to CGC. I started my graduation course, that is BSc Biotechnology, from 2013 and completed in 2016. I remember I attended one entrepreneurship program with Miss Nidhi. She is the teacher in our college. And I went to a knitter place that is in Chandigarh, and there I was the prime speaker from our city on entrepreneurship. It was only regarding young business program. I met with 13 countries entrepreneurs. I was amazed. That day I decided that if CGC has believed me that I can be an entrepreneur, so I will. And today, after 2 years of my graduation, I proved it. I was earning 30 to 40,000 per month. That's actually a fresher's, a dream today. But I was not satisfied. I actually knew that I cannot work under someone. I knew that I can run a business rather working. Thank you so much.